Good morning. Order out of chaos. Well, it's an inside phenomena, and within order is a finite degree of manageable chaos. We live in a world of hyperstimulation, and no wonder how manageable chaos gets out of hand. And order counts, and order within control is only found inside. Nothing is more daunting and compelling than attempting to restore order when all breaks loose. Our natural response is to reflect the outside in, a knee jerk reaction. But redirecting the calm takes an inside out, which is a leap in logic. And restoration is not doing initially, it's being, and then allowing the doing to flow naturally within the reality of circumstance. And it's really about connecting to source. When we connect to the source of all things, all creation, we know that chaos recedes into natural order every day. Thank you and enjoy a great day. Remember to wash, gargle with salt, keep the distance, wear a mask, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Felipe Bolaños 1 on YouTube. Thank you. Enjoy a great day.